Hello students, lesson number 15, sound. Under this lesson, yesterday we started day before yesterday we started the lesson, and yesterday we seen sound and music and the frequency of different musical notes. Now today we are going to discuss on this observe and discuss point. Observe and discuss on this point. So identify instrument and discuss the production of the discuss sound production in them. So first of all, here it is the string instrument. It is called as a veena. So if you see this big figure, you will notice that here some nuts are there. Here nut bolts we are saying, no, that it is there. Here some strings are attached. Okay, and here because of these strings, what happens when we plug the string, then what happens, the sound is produced, and when we give just rotate these nuts, okay, then what happens, the tension is produced on these wires, and due to this what happens, it produces a melodious sound. Okay, so it is a sitar and it produces a sound. Now here it is the flute. Here in this flute, here the some openings are there. It is made up by bamboo, and here if you see here, you will notice that here it is some holes are there. Okay, and here it is also one hole. So through this hole what happens, the person who plays flute, what happens, in Marathi we say the basri to it. So when we blow from here, the air what happens, passes from the outer opening, or here then what happens, it passes from this opening. Now the person who is playing this, he put here his finger on this flute, and what happens, the that sound, by moving the fingers, the sound is produced, and it is also in the form of some notations are there. Here it is sanai. Okay, in marriage it is sanai they are using. Here it is also, from here we blow the air, and what happens, the different kinds of sound we can produce from here. Now if you see here, this is the instrument bigul you are saying. In your school also in 26 January or 15th August, we are using this, and you have an experience how we are blowing and how the sound we can produce by using this instrument. Okay, and then so this bigul that we are using at the time of marching practice, and then we are, what happens, while we are producing the different kinds of voice using this instrument. Here it is the tabla. Tabla is a, what happens, instrument. Here in this tabla, the padda we are saying to it, it has a diaphragm like this structure, and just stretching this, giving tension on that upsides diaphragm of a tabla, here some wooden rolls are there. If we move this by hitting this, if we move this downside, then tension is created on this membrane, and then what happens, we can produce the sound which we want, means which we want the melodious sound, and we can produce the different sound from here. Here it is the xylophone it is there, and here also means in your, whenever you are in the smaller lower classes, here by using two sticks are there, and that sticks, when we are banging hitting on this wires, then what happens, different kinds of sound is produced. Here it is the guitar. Here it is also same like the veena. We seen that it's functioning also same. It is a string instrument. This is also string instrument. Where the strings are used, it is a string instrument. And here it is the pipani or something, it is there, and using this is also using in the what, marriage functions. And here if you see, some buttons are there. When we press it, what happens, it produces the different sounds. Okay, so these instruments are there, and they are produces different kinds of sound, and here different material is used for this. Here string is the main material. Here it is also string instrument. This is string instrument. Here air we are producing in this inside. And here the membrane or the diaphragm of the tabla, what happens, we are using for the production of the melodious sound. So here apps of the generation of different sound notes, sound note generator app may be available on cell phones. Okay, you also, if you have a interest in the music, then there are some different apps are there. By using that app, we can produce the different kinds of sound, and with the help of teacher using such app generate the sounds notes listen in our table. Okay, now the next point is that I will show you the sound produced in the human. As I told you how sound is produced, I told you an activity, put your fingers on your throat and you speak something. You will notice that the vibrations are created, and due to this vibration what happens, the different sound are produced. So sound produced in the human, either speak a little loudly or sing a song to produce humming sound like bee. Put your fingers on your throat. Do you feel some vibration? Yesterday I told you that, means whenever I started this lesson, first lecture when it was, that time I told you, when you put your fingers on your throat, you can hear and speak something, you will notice that a kind of a voice or vibrations are created, and due to this vibration what happens, sound is produced. In the humans, sound is produced in the larynx. Okay, so here it is our sound system in our body. So here it is the, if you see here, we are speaking with the mouth, and then so here in humans the voice is produced in the larynx. Where? Larynx. While swallowing food, whenever we are swallowing food, we can feel with our finger hard bump that seems to move. Okay, so here mostly the boys are there. On that what happens, that larynx are, we can see the properly it is moving when the person is weak. This is nothing but the larynx. As shown in the figure, it is at upper end of the windpipe. It is the upper end of the windpipe. Two vocal cords are, so if you see here, the two vocal cords are there here. If you see here, so here it is, some vocal cords are there. These two are the vocal cords. So here it is here there are two vocal cords. Here it is our trachea. It is the combined opening for the digestive and the respiratory systems opening. It is there. Esophagus is there, means it is enter into the digestive system. And epiglottis, a flap that closes the air tract during swallowing. So this is the epiglottis. When we are eating our food, that time what happens, it closes the trachea. And when we are respiring, it opens, and what happens, air enter inside this. So trachea is the common opening for the trachea and the esophagus. So here it is what they told you, we can feel two fingers, a hard bump that seems to move. This is nothing but the larynx. As shown in the figure 15.5, it is at the upper end of windpipe. Our windpipe is there, its upper end, there is a which larynx are there. Two vocal cords are stretched across the voice box. Just now I shown you. Here it is stretched, two vocal cords are there and stretched across into the voice box or the larynx in such a way that it leaves a narrow slit between them for the passage of air. So here it is, the narrow slit is there for the opening of the air. While the lungs force air through the slit. So lungs, what happens, force the air, means air enter inside the. So here when the lungs, our lungs are there, it force the air through this slit, the vocal cords vibrate. So whenever we are speaking, our lungs, what happens, push the air towards this vocal cord, and due to this what happens, the vibrations are and vibration produce the sound. Muscle attached to the vocal cord. There are muscles which are attached to the vocal cords, can make the cords tight and loose. So these cords are becoming tight or loose when the muscles are straight, otherwise becomes relaxed. When a vocal cords are tight and thin, the type of quality of voice is different. Means singers are there, whenever they are singing, they are produces different kinds of sound, and it is because of how much air is coming out from that vocal cords. From this, what happens, we can, it that voice they are producing. Take two rubbers into your unused bicycle tube. Unused bicycle tubes are there. From it we have to take rubber tube. Place two pieces, one above the other, and stretch them tight, and blow the air to the gap between them. The air blows through the gap between the rubber strips and sound is produced. The human larynx work in the similar way. Okay, the same experiment you can do with the small people. Leaves are there. Leaves of which tree? That is in our what we are saying. Some people are there, they are taking two leaves of the plant leaves, and what happens, they are blowing the air into in between this. Suppose this is one leaf of a plant, and here one more leaf, we have to hold it one above the other, and we have to blow air from here. Then you will notice that it produces a pipperni. We are saying that leaves we are using. Some student people, small children are there using these leaves for the production of the sound. And same experiment if you do with the rubber strips, then also what happens, we can produce the different kinds of what sound. And this is the exact way, in that way only the sound is produced in our vocal cords. Now in this way the voice is produced. Means if you see here, only a little gap is there in between these vocal cords. Here if you see, a small gap is there, and because of that small gap, when the air come out from this, whenever we are speaking, if you see now also whenever I am speaking, air from our mouth is coming outside, not enters. Whenever we are respiring, our mouth becomes closed or air is entering inside the body, and whenever we are speaking, at that time what happens, the air coming out of the your body. Now you just speak something and you put your fingers in front of your mouth, you will notice that whenever your words are coming from your mouth, at that time air is what happens, coming to your fingers or touches to your finger. So in this way what happens, sound is produced through this small strip. The air comes out of, and then vibrations are produced and sound is produced. Now the vocal cords are 20 centimeter in length. These vocal cords are there, they are 20 centimeter in length in male and about 15 centimeter in the female, even smaller in the children. And size is given here. It is vocal cords 20 centimeter in male, 15 centimeter in female, and smaller in the children. Therefore the voice of male, female and children are different. Okay, if you see now in our class also, some students voice is harsh. Okay, some students voice is means good. When girls voice is also what happens, different than the others. Now here one activity is given. Try this. Produce a sound, moo boo. Just dog is barking. Yes, do this activity now. You also move bow bow, just like dog barking, and meow meow. Okay, so if you just like a mewing cat, carefully notice the tension of vocal cords. Now you have to feel that when you are saying bow bow bow, you just how much tension is coming on your throat or your vocal cords are there, that you notice. And afterwards, whenever you are saying mew mew, at that time how much tension is created on your vocal cord, you have to observe or you have to feel. Okay, when you produce this sound, do you feel that tension on the vocal cord changes when you produces these two different sounds? Means for producing bow bow, otherwise meow meow, the sounds are different and different kind of tension is produced on our what we are saying, vocal cords. So in this way, today we are going to stop here only. The next part of the lesson, that is the sound generation by the loudspeaker and its working, we will see in our next lecture, and it may be the last lecture of this sounds generations, and then we will take the next lesson, otherwise some revision we will take. So today we are going to stop here only. So all of you complete the activities which is given in our book also, and note down the important points, take out the notes of the lesson. So okay, so today we are going to stop here only. Okay, thank you and have a good day.